Hi, Dan Walters, Treasure Valley Property Solutions. Thanks for taking the time to stop by here today. Just wanted to give you a brief introduction to myself and my company and the services that we have been providing here in the Treasure Valley for the last 12 years. Now, we've reached out to you specifically because you represent clients that are going through the probate process and are managing an estate. Now, through our years of experience, we understand in working with clients in very similar situations that when it comes to dealing with property in an estate, it can become very stressful and burdensome. And what we found is that people are just looking for an easier path. Now, whatever that situation may be, maybe the property itself just needs too many repairs that they don't have the time, effort, or energy to put forth. Perhaps we're on the tail end of closing out the estate. Or frankly, the estate itself just may need an infusion of capital. Whatever the reason may be, what we do is we offer them that opportunity for that easier path. And by giving them a simple straight line solution and giving them what they want in a timeline that they need it. So if you find yourself with clients that this may resonate with, or if you are interested in learning a little bit more about how we can work together, feel free to fill out the form below or just give me a call. I'd be happy to connect with you.